Hi there, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to talk with you about all the things in today's newsletter. So first, we're going to talk about the Island Seaglass Shawl, which is right there and right here. It is a little shawlette designed by 𝗁𝗏𝗄𝗃, and it uses just 2 cakes of Whidbey, one of our exclusive yarns. So the one here to my left, the main color is this one, which is driftwood. And this yarn itself is 47% bamboo, 37% superwash, and 16% nylon. Each cake has, I don't remember, 144 yards, so a decent amount of yardage in each of the cakes. And it doesn't take but 2, one of each color. So the shawl here to my left uses these 2, which is, this is driftwood, and this was, I think I already said it, no, heron and driftwood. Or if you wanted to do something a little different, there's this really nice denim-y color called, this isn't the denim, this is the dark gray, called 𝗶𝗶𝗆. So you could do a dark gray and neutral. This is the denim-y one, denim-y color called 𝗵𝗄𝗆, which is the sound, the water. So you could do a blue and white sort of nautical theme. Or you could do this one, which is sea glass. Sea glass is a gorgeous color. That's the one that's back here on the trim, paired with Island, which is the multi. Oh, this one's going a little crazy here. Hold on. Island, which is the multi-color. It's all the different bright colors in the Whidbey line. Other colors you could choose would be this one here, which is loganberry, or perhaps starfish. So lots of good options in this yarn. Again, just 2 cakes of Whidbey to make the Island Seaglass Shawl. And when you buy those 2 cakes now through Sunday at midnight, we're gonna give you the pattern, the Island Seaglass Shawl pattern, and we're gonna give you a skacel needle in a size US 9. So buy 2 or more cakes of this yarn now through Sunday, get the needle and the pattern for free. As always, it's a limit of 1 per person, so you can buy a whole lot of the yarn if you like. We're gonna give you a needle. You'll be able to make that shawl in no time. So that is the Island Seaglass Shawl. Other things that are going on, we've been busy in our dye lab. We're still making things and doing stuff. So we have, I put 4 more colors of tonal yarns up. This one is, and these are, not all of them, but this one is boots. It's the same base as boots. This is called coral pink. And this is another boots, yes. And this is called violet dusk. It's a really lovely deep purpley color. These have 437 yards in one of these, and it's a great sock yarn. Boots is a fantastic sock yarn. Another option would be Riley, and these are Riley, which are baby alpaca, mulberry silk, and linen. 274 yards and 100 gram hank. So it's a little bit bigger of a yarn. This one is called frosted radish. Pretty. And this one is called lichen. Here is lichen. Another Riley colorway. So check those out. You can always see all the different yarns that are available in the dye lab and grab those while you can. Other things I should mention, the knit box is out. So for those of you, spoilers, who are still waiting for your boxes, they are on their way. And we are super excited about this one. The unboxing videos and the newsletter, you can check that out. And if you're interested and didn't get one of the boxes, you can grab one of those. You'll find out that there were 5 balls of yarn in this box, along with some other goodies and treats. And the theme was going on an evening mountain walk. So the yarn itself is 𝗁𝗏𝗆𝘆𝘀, and the project is the Alpine Lakes cowl. So that's that. Other fun things. So we just got in a shipment from our friends in Canada from Firefly Notes. And I want you to see how adorable these little stitch markers are. I'm trying to make it so you can see all of them at once. Here are these tiny little, look how cute they are. These are tiny little lost sock stitch markers, and they come in a number of different colors. This one's flipped over. So check those out. You can get your favorite little lost sock. We also have a 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝘁𝗁𝘆𝘀, here is the sheep. Hello, I'm right here. I want to come home with you. Also, we have little kittens. So we have 𝗍𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗋𝗃𝗍, which are the tiny, tiny stitch markers. These tiny, tiny ones, I think you can see through here, are smaller than the silver kittens, which is this one here. These are the bigger version. And the description and sizing and everything is on the website. So you can check out the little kittens if you're interested in some little kitty love. And then lastly, there are the honeycomb ones, which again, it's kind of hard to see in the package, but there's these little honeycomb shaped ones, and then there's a little bee stitch marker in here as well. So one of the things we like about these is they have the snag-free ring, and the rings themselves fit up to a 10mm, so a really decent size knitting needle. So check out those while they are available. And the last thing I want to mention is congratulations to 𝘁𝗱𝘆𝘀, who was our winner of the Shadow Knitting Kit giveaway. We did a sort of invitation for people to like and share posts on our Facebook and Instagram, and 𝘁𝗱 was the winner. So 𝘁𝗱 chose the Love Heart Shawl kit, and as you know, all of those shadow knitting kits, they are so easy to do and really magical, right? Because it's just 2 rows back and forth. One of the rows is just knitting and the other is knit and purl. So those two are one color, and then you do the same thing following the pattern with the second color, and back and forth between the two rows of each of the 2 colors to complete the pattern. And when you look at it straight on, it just sort of looks like stripes, but when it's viewed at an angle, the magic appears and you can see the image show up, which is super cool. So check out the shadow knitting kits, and again, congrats to 𝘁𝗱. That's really awesome that that you won, right? So I think that's it. Yeah, so we have the promotion going on. Buy 2 cakes or more of Whidbey now through Sunday, and you're gonna get the skacel circular needle. There you go, size 9. And also the Island Seaglass Shawl pattern. That is our exciting promo. You can try this out and see this fun little good for spring kind of around the neck shawl. And that is it. So whatever you're doing this weekend, I hope you reach out, of course, to friends and family. Sunday is Mother's Day, so reach out to any of the people in your life and mothers in your life who have had an impact to let them know that you're thinking about them. And we will see you again on Tuesday with more exciting stuff. As always, thank you so much for listening, and we will see you then. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.